up, guys? So today we're actually going to be, before we actually install the Nerf bars or running boards on the truck, and go ahead and bedline those, so that way they don't scratch up so easily like they are already. So we're going to give them a nice coat, a bed liner. So it is warm outside today, but before we get started on that, I do have to go to the store and purchase another one of these. So this is what we're going to be using to bedline the running boards. And so yeah, so we're going to go to the store really quick, get some of that, probably get some rubbing alcohol to wipe down the boards, so that way it takes off all the oils and all that. Probably get a microfiber, and then we'll get back and get started. So we'll see you guys when we get back. Alright guys, so we made it back from the store. So got my microfiber for the rubbing alcohol to clean off the Nerf bars, get all the oil and everything else off. Got 2 cans of the bed liner, so hopefully I have enough. Got some masking tape, and obviously my water because it's freaking hot out. So far, this is the setup that I have out here. Move the truck out of the way, and then so what I'm doing is these little parts where the screws go in and everything. Obviously I'm taping that up because I don't want to spray that. Taping that and then just cutting off the edges, making sure it's just a lot cleaner. So far I have that. So I might just get this one done, cutting off all the tape first, and then get to cleaning them, and then hopefully we'll start spraying them down. Maybe I'll get Caroline to come out and help me. Hopefully she will. So yeah, hopefully I'm able to install these today. If not, first thing tomorrow, I will try and get them done, and then we'll get to see what the truck looks like. And as far as the next video, my other mod already came in. I'm super stoked to show you guys what it is, so hopefully you guys stay tuned for that. But enough talk, I'm gonna knock this out right now and get as much as I can done. It's barely 3, so it doesn't get dark until super late now, so hopefully I can get enough done. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so I just cleaned off this bar, got the tape off and everything. Well, cut the excess tape and wiped it down with the rubbing alcohol, get all the oils off, make sure it's nice and clean. And now it's time to spray it. So I'm gonna set this somewhere and then kind of just record a little bit so that way you guys can see how it's going on and all that. I do plan to do at least 2 to 3 coats, if not maybe more if I have time, but I'm gonna work on one first and then we'll work on that one over there. So here we go. A nice little even coat, somewhat even I guess. I'm gonna let that one dry for a little bit, for a few minutes, and then we'll go over it again, and then go over it a 3rd time, flip it over, and just repeat the process with that, and then we'll go ahead and work on that one. So while this one dries for a little bit, I'm gonna go ahead and wipe that one down and get that one ready for some paint too. I finished up already. The only thing that I didn't get like 2 to 3 coats were these little brackets here. But other than that, I think everything came out pretty good. I'll give you guys a little look here. It's like a little matte finish, a little shinier than before, but I mean, I don't think that that's a problem for me. So I got all the tools there ready to go. I'm gonna go bring the truck and pull it in over here and hopefully try to install these by myself. So like I mentioned before, I'm not very good at installing things. I have to use instructions. I know, but I'd rather use the instructions to kind of help me guide it than to kind of just milk it and have it go wrong, because I've done that before and it's gone terribly wrong. So I'm gonna go ahead and bring the truck up and hopefully install this by myself. I don't want to do this on my own anyways. I like to learn things, and so hopefully we can get this done. So let me go get the truck and I'll be right back. So I have this first bracket mounted. It's not all the way tightened because it says not to tighten it all the way first, just in case you need to you know, move it around or just adjust it to, you know, the actual bars. So I'm gonna go ahead and put in the next two, just so you guys know what it looks like. You can see these two right here. Then we have another two right there. Pretty much you just use a flathead and it unscrews, and then it just pops right out. So I'm gonna go ahead, I took these ones off already, so I'm gonna go ahead and put in the other bracket, put in that bracket too, and then we'll kind of just go from there. So yep, hopefully you guys can see that, but put that right there. So we're using a 13 millimeter socket there. We're going to use those to tighten these once we get to that point. And then the ones that actually connect to the bar will be a 17 millimeter. So just hand tighten these a little bit. It's still able to move, so just in case we need to adjust those, we will do that. Okay, and now for the third one. So I'll get the third one installed, and then we'll go ahead and put on the first side, adjust that, and then we'll go ahead and do the passenger. So I'll see you guys in a sec. Like that, right? Yes. No. So like that. Yes. guys, so far this is what it's looking like. Got these bolts right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and put all these in, and then we'll see. Go ahead and finish the other side, and then we'll see what it looks like. So see you guys in a bit. Stolen parts or what?
Yeah.
Dang. Dang.
There.
Alright. Okay. So, we have the other side installed already. Now we're just going to install this side. Same thing. Install the brackets first. Just hand tighten those bolts. So if you need to make adjustments, you're still able to. Alright guys, so the install is finally complete. I couldn't be happier for the money that I spent and the little time that I took to bedline them. They actually came out super good, a lot better than what they originally came. I do think though that I might need to lift the truck just a tiny bit more, but honestly, like, they just came out really good. So I hope you guys like how they look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And again, I do not install very many parts. There was a lot of mistakes, but I am learning, so I hope you guys can bear with me for a little bit until I can get the hang of things. Like I said, there's still more mods coming, more install videos, so I hope that the more parts that I get and the more parts that I install, the more things that I learn. So I'm just gonna shut up and just show you guys the reveal of the Nerf bars for the 2020 Toyota Tacoma. They are fully installed. Honestly, they would have been a lot easier if I knew what I was doing. So for those of you who installs are your thing, you could probably do this, I would say, within an hour. It took me a couple of hours, and that was just to bedline them, wait for that to dry, and then install them. And then that was even with my little mess ups. So that being said, I mean, I hope you guys did enjoy the video. I'm sorry if it was a little boring, but if you guys stuck it out, watched through the whole thing, thank you so much. And I hope you guys stay tuned for more videos, more uploads, for mods and all that, because I do have more coming. The next one, I cannot wait, because it's just going to make a huge difference for me. So thank you for watching. And before we go, I just wanted to show you guys the I'm assuming that is the brand of the Nerf bars. So you guys could, I'm sure, go to that website, or you guys could go on Amazon and check them out there. Again, I'll leave all the link, the description of it, down below. So if you guys are interested, you guys want to try them out, you guys like how they look, maybe want to get a pair for yourself, I'll leave that down below so you guys can get those. So thanks again for watching, and remember to hit that subscribe button, like the video, leave me some comments, tell me how much of a dummy I am for not knowing what washers go with what bolts, but you know, again, it's just a learning process. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.